Hi friends, let us discuss GATE previous year C programming questions. C programming is part of GATE syllabus. So there is a scope for you to get good marks in GATE exam by answering C programming questions. Moreover, C programming knowledge will help you a lot in getting placed in top software companies because most of the software companies they are testing your programming skills through C programming questions. Let us see this first question. In this C program, a function is declared with the name FOO and two parameters. The variable p is a pointer to integer data type and another variable x it is a integer data type. And inside the function, you observe this operator we have already discussed in pointers concept. This is called indirection operator. That is, the content stored in the address specified by p. So after this statement, the value of x will be stored in the address specified by pointer variable p. So this is the function. In the main program, we have declared again a point variable z to integer data type and two variables a and b. A is assigned with 20 and b is assigned with 25. Now you assign the address of a to the pointer variable z. Now we call this function FOO with two parameters z, b. So z it has got the address of a. And what is the value of b? 25. So these two will be passed to this function. So what will happen? The value of b will be passed to x and value of z will be passed to b. So after this statement, the value of b 25 will be stored in the address specified by pointer variable p. So what is the address now? It has the address of a. So when you print the value of a, so what it will print? That's what the question. The output of the given C program is. So what will be the output? 25. So the answer is 25. Consider the following C program. The question is which one of the following will be the output of the program? In this C program, this is called a function prototype. That is, we are declaring the function name is string copy and the arguments are pointer to character data type. So in the main program, we have declared a string variable a with the length 30 and the content is at hash then hello world then exclamatory symbol. Now I call this function string copy with the address of a and a plus 2, address of a plus 2. Note down that in case of arrays, we need not use ampersand operator to denote the address. So this denotes the address of a of 0, that means this place, and this denotes the address of a of 2, that is this address of this variable data h. So when you send these two parameters, here you see the function string copy. The s is a pointer to character data type, so this s will get the address of a, and t is also a pointer to character data type, and t will get the address of a plus 2. So now inside the function, while this operator is indirection operator, that is content stored in the address specified by t. So initially t will have the address of h because that is a plus 2. So we are checking whether it is null. If it is not null, you repeat the loop content. So what is the loop content? Assign the content stored in the address specified by t to the content stored in the address specified by s. Then you increment both the pointers. So initially t is pointing to h. So h will be stored in the first place and it will do like that, then ELLO like that it will come. So when it will become null, so when it reaches this place, it will become null, isn't it or not? But you are copying the a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 4 and so on to the address starting from first place. So the answer is D, because finally this content is already there in the string variable A. So the output of this program is option D. What is the output of the given C code segment? In this C program, we have declared variable x of integer data type and value is 126, and y is an integer variable with the value 105. The do while loop, we are starting with if x is greater than y, you subtract y from x, that is x is equal to x minus y. Else, otherwise, y is equal to y minus x, and you repeat these statements until x not equal to y. So this is the do while loop. So till that x value is equal to y, these statements will be repeated, and finally you print the value of x. So let us see how this program works. So initially x and y you compare. X is greater than y, so you subtract y from x, it will become 21. Next time also x, what is the x value? 21. And what is the y value? 105. So now this condition becomes false. You subtract y is equal to y minus x, so it will become 84. So similarly, x value is same 21, y value is 84. So again the y is equal to y minus x will be executed again. So 84 minus 21, 63. Similarly, 63 minus 21, 42. Then 42 minus 21, 21. Now what happened? Both x and y are same value. So when you exit the loop, you print the value of x. So what is the value of x now? 21. So the output is 21. Actually, this program finds the GCD of two numbers. Consider the following C program, and we have to find the output of this C program. So in this C program, there is a function with the name g, and it accepts integer value and it returns n plus 10, that is the value plus 10. And another function f, again it accepts integer value as a parameter, and we have to note it down very carefully. It returns, again it calls the function g of n multiplied by 2. That means the function f calls function g inside the function f. That we have to observe. In the main program, we have declared two variables, sum and n, and sum is initialized with 0, and this for loop, it starts with n is equal to 1. It goes up to n less than 3. That means this loop will be executed for 2 times with n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. And within the loop, there is only a single statement, that is shorthand assignment. That is sum is equal to sum plus g of f of n. So this single statement will be executed 2 times with n is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. When you come out of the loop, you print the value of sum. So now we will see how this program execution will happen. In the first iteration, n is equal to 1, you call the function f. So f of 1. So when you call f of 1, so it will call g of 1 into 2. That means g of 2. So g of 2 will return 2 plus 10, 12. This 12 will be given as a parameter to g again. So g of 12 will become 12 plus 10, 22. So this is the output of the first iteration. Now the n value will become 2. So again you call the function f with the n is equal to 2. So when you go to this function, again it calls g of n into 2. That means g of 4. So g of 4 will return 14. 4 plus 10, 14. Now this 14 will be given as a parameter to again function g. So g of 14 is equal to 14 plus 10, 24. So when you add these two, the answer is 46. So the output of this program is 46.